The all-parties Hurriyat conference has said that Indian troops are killing innocent Kashmiri youth in fake encounters in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to malign the Kashmir's ongoing freedom struggle and Pakistan. The APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said that the occupation troops pick up Kashmiri youth from their homes, take them to areas near the line of control and kill them in fake encounters after dubbing them as Pakistani militants. He said that in similar fashion the troops martyred 3 youth in Uri area of Baramulla yesterday. The aim of this malicious practice, he said, is to link the Kashmiris' indigenous freedom movement with terrorism and project Pakistan as an abettor of terrorists. However, he said that such Indian nefarious acts have failed to mislead the international community in the past and will meet the same fate in the future as well. The occupation authorities disallowed senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq to lead the Jummah prayers at the historic Jamia Masjid Srinagar today, negating the claim of the Delhi-installed Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha that the Mirwais was not under house arrest. Indian police stopped Mirwais Umar Farooq outside gate of his residence when he tried to leave for the Grand Mosque. The Mirwais has been under continued house detention since 5th August 2019, when Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government repealed the special status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and imposed military siege in the territory. The Communist Party of India Marxist has said that the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government is continuing its effort to disempower the Muslim majority population in the territory. The latest editorial of the party's mouthpiece People's Democracy criticized the recent announcement of the Chief Electoral Officer of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir that around 25 lakh voters, including outsiders, will be added in the electoral rolls. It said that the move was intended to alter the electoral balance in favor of the BJP and bring about a demographic change in the territory. Senior leader of the Indian National Congress from Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Ghulam Nabi Azad, has resigned from all positions including primary membership of the party. He announced his resignation in a letter to the party president Sonia Gandhi. On the other hand, the sleuths of an Indian investigative agency arrested a Kashmiri businessman, Farooq Ahmed Naiko, soon after he landed at the Delhi airport. Farooq Naiko, who has been doing a business-cum job in the United Arab Emirates for a long time, was returning to his home in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian authorities also deported a US-based journalist, Angad Singh, who had produced a documentary on protests against the controversial citizenship law in 2020 at Shaheen Bagh from Delhi airport.